categorically, so बाकीचे स्टेटने स्क्रॅप करणार आहोत.
So I am telling in front of the cameras, decision of the state government, Honorable Chief Minister told to keep this project on hold.
आमकां नोटिफिकेशन जाय कॅन्सलेशनाचे ते केन्ना घडटा
So one
तुम्ही आणि 6 महिने घडटले होल्ड म्हणून आणि व्हॉट अबाउट द बिला आता जी बिला इला फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन द आन्सर करू स्क्रॅपाचे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्क्रॅप
on hold. I have given you my whatever decision has come from the government.
सो तू नोटिफिकेशन स्क्रॅपाचे so that means no clarity.
No clarity, proper clarity. It is on hold.
होल्ड म्हणजे
So right now, sir has told to stop the smart metering project. So now do not leave.
मी स्टॉप स्क्रॅप कर म्हणतो.
No, see, that is the government decision. Lot of litigation are there. RDSS scheme, it is linked with lot of funding. No, not that.
70 कोटी में शेड्यूल गव्हर्नमेंटाचे
Therefore, if you
ना
allow
किती आणि कितली तर शेड्यूल
160, हांव सांगता न्ही प्रोजेक्टाचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक आमकां फंडिंग मेळ्ळें 243 crores. ताचे 160 crores आमचे स्टॉप केला because we have not implemented a smart metering. It is related. Plus the more projects we had put, those are projects are not getting sanctioned where we get 60% grant. So it has financial implications. It is not 70 crores. It is at least 350 to 400 crores. It is not directly linked with the smart metering. It is linked with the infrastructure projects which are linked to the smart metering, so that the transparency, efficiency, and the consumer service can be improved. Therefore, they are giving certain grant for the infrastructure like putting cables, transformers, substation, this kind of infrastructure they are giving us through.
ते 350 करोड जे तू सांगता वॉट एव्हर द नंबर विल कम ते कोण बारीक करतलो
So that those are will be given by the central government.
कोणाचे पैसे ते
Entire money is of the people of
तुम्ही तो टेंडर केलो कित्या चालू केलो कित्या जर तर तुम्ही आता स्टॉप करता चालू कित्या केलो अरे दुसरो प्रश्न तुगे मंत्र्यान सांगले की आम्ही 1 लाख मीटर बसयले म्हणून चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगता 1 लाख बसयले ना कितले बसयले तू
I'll tell you. When the information goes to the central government, we are supposed to give the meters. So 1 lakh meters we had procured and given to the vendors and to my people to install. So that statement he had made that 1 lakh meters, smart meters, has been provided to the different subdivision for installation. Now actual installation down system गेला 43,000.
सो त्या 43,000चे किती
No, they are therefore these meters are going to be operating like a simple normal meter. We are not going to operate as a smart meter. Smart meter means it has two features. One is prepaid and second is automatically from a remote you can put it off and on if somebody has not paid. These two features will not be implemented. The same meter will be put as a normal meter.
आता लास्ट टाइम आम्ही तुका आयिल्ले पळय तू एक स्टेटमेंट केलो मिडियाचेर ऑन रेकॉर्ड आहा तो यू सेड दॅट डिपार्टमेंट विल डिसाइड वेदर इट हॅज टू बी पुट एंड इट इज मॅन्डेटरी मागीर आमकां कळ्ळें की तुज्या पयलीं जानेवारीन तुगेलो युनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री हॅज मेड अ कॅटेगोरिकल स्टेटमेंट दॅट इट इज नॉट मॅन्डेटरी नाउ ऑन व्हिच बेसिस यू सेड दॅट इट इज मॅन्डेटरी
Meter is mandatory. We have to put now. We have put
so union minister photo लेता
No, this is what context he has said. I do not know.
माहिती ते वाच मरे ते आम्ही घातिल्ले तुका मी ट्वीट मारिल्ले तुझ्या युनियन मिनिस्टरान स्मार्ट प्रीपेड मीटर म्हटलं नाही म्हणल्यार तुम्ही मीटर घातिल्ले ते पोस्टपेड घातिल्ले
आता पोस्टपेड आता प्रीपेड एक घालून एकच प्रीपेड घालून
त्या दिस तो सांगतालो प्रीपेड म्हणून मरे
घालूंक ना अजून
आता तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट चेंज करता
प्रीपेड घालूंकच ना
तुम्ही त्या दिस तुझं टेंडरच प्रीपेड हा मरे
So what? Right now.
So what? तू जाय ते स्टेटमेंट चेंज करतलो
Right now the
तू
meters are operating.
लास्ट टाइम तुझं स्टँड
If you allow me to see now. तुम्ही म्हणताले येयल्यार बी प्रॉब्लेम तू आन्सर
तू खरें उलय ना तुवें लास्ट टाइम सांगले स्मार्ट मीटर प्रीपेड आता तू सांगता पोस्टपेड ना हे रिकॉर्डर अजूनही अरे द टेंडर इटसेल्फ इज प्रीपेड आता तो सांगता पोस्टपेड म्हणून
अरे बाबा म्हाका आन्सर करपाक दी
प्रीपेड काय पोस्टपेड हे सांग
The smart meter project which was supposed to be prepaid is on hold. Okay?
But
So they will
म्हणलं
operate
जे 40,000
till further
तुवें
decision.
घातले,
Listen, till
40,000
further
अरे राव
postpaid.
रे सायबा राव रे 40,000 जे तुवें इन्स्टॉल केले म्हणटा पळय आउट ऑफ 1 lakh ते प्रीपेड नाशिल्ले पोस्टपेड म्हणून घातिल्ले
They have both the features.
न्ही रे
Prepaid
घातिल्ले
and-
प्रीपेड म्हणून काय पोस्टपेड
They were replaced meter the system.
अरे मीटर न्ही रे तुवें आतां टेंडर करून तुवें गोंयान फुल प्रीपेड स्मार्ट मिटर घालपाचो प्रोजेक्ट हाडलो तुवें 43,000 घातले आता गव्हर्नमेंटान स्टँड चेंज केला म्हणून हो आपलो स्टँड चेंज करता
No,
that will use.
no,
ना
आम्ही
कितें?
change करता.
अरे त्या दीस तुवें प्रीपेड म्हणून सांगला ना ना रिप्लाय न्ही तू रिकॉर्डार आहा
तुझ्या क्वेश्चनाक आन्सर कर.
न्ही रे तो ओल्ड व्हिडिओ तू चेक कर तू रिकॉर्डार आहा यू सेड इट इज प्रीपेड
We are replying. See,
डोंट रिप्लाय तू तो स्क्रॅप केन्ना करतो सांग
No.
तू लोकांक गोंयकारांक
They
त्रासान घातल्या
have, because the media is here, they have to listen. The people of Goa have to listen.
पिशा काडटा
आम्ही आयकून घे मरे.
You have to listen. You have to listen. See, this project has been framed on a prepaid mode, but the meters that we have installed, not just in Goa but all across India, can function on both prepaid mode and postpaid mode, like a mobile phone. So the meters, wait, no, you cannot. Let me finish. So the meters that we have installed till now, 43,000, they are smart meters, but they are operated on a postpaid mode. So that is what my chief is trying to tell you. They are working like a normal meter. They are not working like a smart prepaid meter. So now that the Honorable CM has asked us to keep this project on hold, we have kept it on hold.
अरे पात्रांव 43,000 तुवें जे मिटर काढले आणि
That is-
हा एक मिनिट बरे काढले आणि घातले ते पोस्टपेडार
They are in postpaid
त्या
mode.
मिटरांक फॉल्ट आशिल्लो
Now,
मग कित्याक चेंज केले
खंयचे म्हणटा तुम्ही?
अरे तुवें आतां 43 काढले म्हणटा न्ही
Oh, but that is
आणि
the-
आपण नवे
Oh, but
घातले
that
कित्याक
is-
घातले
that is the project name.
प्रोजेक्ट वॉज फॉर प्रीपेड स्मार्ट मीटर
Yes, so the meters they can be converted into prepaid
ते
anytime.
आता सांगना रे पण तुझो
So
प्रोजेक्ट
it
वॉज
is no,
प्रीपेड
it was always like that. The project.
टेंडर
Listen.
तुवें लास्ट टाइम सांगले की तो प्रीपेड मीटर ताजे तुगेले सीन आमचे
Let me
एडवांटेज
answer.
सांगल्यो
Let
प्रीपेडाच्यो
me answer that.
आणि आता तू सांगता की ना
That's how I.
सीएमान सांगला म्हणून आम्ही पोस्टपेड यूज
That's how I started. No, that's how I started. The project is in prepaid mode, but the scheme guideline itself tells that when you are installing the meters, the meter has to be interoperable. The word that is used is interoperable. They should be able to be operated on the prepaid mode and the postpaid mode. We haven't started with postpaid mode in Goa. We have only started with prepaid mode. The meters that have been installed in Goa are smart meters on a prepaid mode, which is similar. On the postpaid mode, which is similar.
Okay, right now,
पायता
good comments on this regarding. Now, coming to the bills, because you all have both the issues that we are highlighting. Regarding the penalties, Honorable CM, first decision is to stop the penalties. Second, to revise all the bills right from November, because we have started it from 1st of November. So we are revising. Now these 10 days have gone because it is around 80,000, 70 to 80,000 on the average, to revise the entire thing. Because the moment we revise, since the people, some of the people have not paid, we will have to put a DPC. So that DPC has to make zero. Again the system has to change. So entire process, day night we work for 10 days. It is ready. File is signed by Honorable Minister Sir. It has gone to Honorable CM Sir. CM Sir told me in the morning also get it personally, but I couldn't go with the file. It will be signed today, and tomorrow the notification will come. Worst case, day after tomorrow. We are trying tomorrow only because you catch words. Therefore, the notification was. But it's a process. The server has to be, certain.
So technical या नका आता
So,
कर आता
penalty
penalty
will be revised,
no
credit will be given to the.
तुका प्रश्न because you are the head of the engineer ताका ते पेनल्टी तू सांगतालो पळय सँक्शन लोडा पेक्षा वयर कोणे कन्झ्युम केलं तर तुवें पेनल्टी मारला
होय.
दिस युअर स्टेटमेंट
Correct.
करेक्ट आता म्हजो एक तुका प्रश्न आता तुका एक कोणी बिल्डर हाडून फायल घालता फॉर प्रोजेक्टाक तो कितलो घालता लोड एका फ्लॅटाचो तो बेजीक असते घालता मरे एक
Basically, he has to put actual.
एक बिल्डर जेन्ना फ्लॅट विकता तेन्ना तो बेजीक घालता एक ट्यूबलायट एक बल्ब एक फॅन घालता आनी विकता बरोबर सॉरी घालता जेन्ना कंज्युमर कोणी फ्लॅट विकतो घेता when he goes there, he'll put an AC, he'll put a fridge, he'll put a
चेंज ऑफ नेम तो करता पण त्यांना ते
तुझो
करून जाता.
तुझो इश्यू हांवें हेजेर आयकला व्हिडिओचेर.
पण तुम्ही consumer-आक कित्याक त्रास करता?
Listen, it is not basic one tubelight, one fan. It depends on 4 ACs also. Normal flat.
3 बेडरूमाच्या फ्लॅटाक मॅक्झिमम कितले 10 kV
responsibility of
10
the
kilowatt
builder.
लागत. But when the builder puts the file, it is for 3 to 5 kV.
No, it is not 3 to 5. Please,
No, no, किती असता?
it is not 3 to 5. Normal house who
रे,
is having. Listen,
तुमच्या
Amit
internal
Bab.
fault आक तुम्ही consumer-आक कित्याक त्रास करता?
Amit
हांगा
Bab.
पळय लोक आयला जांकां 1.5 लाख बिल आयला.
Amit
तेन्ना
Bab,
हाडलो
no,
मरे,
see,
1
you
lakh
have told
40,000.
about the sanction loan.
92,000.
We have not answered the
तेंका
sanction
आन्सर
loan.
कर, म्हाका करनाका.
But
ते
you
पळय consumer आयले
are
हांगा.
questioning questions. I have to answer you so that clarity comes to you first.
तुम्ही पहिली लोकांक फोना घालता आनी मागीर क्लॅरिटी
First
दिता.
of all, people load is 0.5 kilowatt. Nowhere in Goa there is a load of 0.5. So people subsequently have added tube light, fan, washing machine, dryer, geyser, ACs, and
Corrupt
though
na?
that
Corrupt na?
when you change, you have
चेंज
to
न्ही रे.
change the
आनी फाल्यां
sanction load.
तूं आतां पळय पयलीं तूं
So no, your
समजा एक-
question was sanction load.
अरे फाल्यां मनीस जसो ग्रो जाता तसो तो फाल्यां परत स्मार्ट टीव्ही घालतलो मरे.
On the construction part only, I'm coming to that only.
Yes.
You spoke only about the flat.
Yes.
And you said that when you increase the requirement, we have to increase the sanction load.
Correct.
Okay? This is in terms of legitimate and legal
Very good. Correct.
units.
Correct.
What about the units? What about the construction that are illegal? I can give you examples. I can give you specific locations. You all should go and do an inspection there. About go and check.
ते
sir.
आमचे कामं
Go and check.
आमचे काम.
Irrespective.
There is another-
ते झालें.
There are.
तर तू आमकां हायर कर मरे.
अरे, आम्ही
बिल्डर
त्याका-
डिपार्टमेंट
त्याका विचारू ती राखून.
नाही, ऐका म्हणजे.
There are projects which
Yes.
are going for ground plus one approval.
Yes.
They have basement, they have parking.
Yes.
After the occupancy, they cover the basement, they cover the parking.
Correct.
Your own department gives them the connection. On what grounds? Have you done an inspection there? So there
See,
also
at the
the
point
capacity
of
increases,
time
consumption
connection, they
increases.
give the load, we check. Subsequently, what is being done in
You
the
also check
house,
file.
yeah, on the
Check
file.
If the file is approved for ground plus one, how is it taking sanctions for the covered basement in the covered stilt?
See, we are supposed to see the legalities of the house is a different department.
No, no, no.
We are
I'm
supposed
talking
to
illegal,
occupancy. You get
illegal.
occupancy. Then we are supposed to see the load. But subsequently somebody, let's say 3 rooms are there. You will put AC in only 1 room. Subsequently put in the other room.
Consumption of units.
No,
Which
we
is
do
where
not
you are
come
answering.
to the illegalities. We can come only if
If you are
somebody is
curtailing even
using
that-
domestic instead of using commercial, unauthorized, theft, somebody has bypassed the load. Such are the illegalities. Other
I am
things,
still
the
telling you- I
structure
am still telling you
illegalities,
your
we do
department
not
is
have
not
a
done.
domain to check whether the structure is legal or illegal.
But
Once
when
we
the
get
consumptions have been used illegally, it is not your domain to check.
what illegal? How
If
you
you are
make it say?
taken, if you are taking consumption for 100,
No, we cannot. Therefore, penalties we
why are you
create.
giving connections for the first and foremost? Go and discuss.
First,
त्यात रूम असतात.
a
दोन
meter,
illegal काढले की
a
मग
meter
आता वाटतं.
record
आता काय
after
करणार?
you take the
आणि कसे
connection.
illegal म्हणतात?
बाबा,
family
त्याचं ऐकू रे बाबा,
वाढली.
ऐकू रे बाबा.
त्याच्याकडे बोली.
हं.
त्याचा answer.
आपला 2 क्वेश्चन कशें आन्सर करतलो
त्याचा तो मदीं prompt करता न्ही.
एक पाटी कनेक्शन घेतकच आमचो मिटर रिकॉर्ड करता कितलो तो लोड आशिल्लो कितले कंजम देन ओनली देर आर प्रोविजन दॅट मीन्स यू हॅव नॉट गिवन अस द करेक्ट सॅंक्शन लोड एंड करेक्ट यूनिट दॅट द पेनाल्टीज कम नाव द पेनाल्टीज ऑल्सो स्टॉप दिस पेनाल्टी इज नॉट नाव फ्रॉम 2022 वी स्टॉप इट CAG ऑडिट येता रेग्युलेटरी ऑब्जेक्शन येता द कॉस्ट पास थ्रू द पीपल हू आर टेकन करेक्ट सॅंक्शन लो दे कॅन कंप्लेन टू अस दॅट वी हॅव टू पुट इट penalty is not to earn revenue. Guess what?
आता म्हाका सांग आद्या गोंयच्या लोकांचो प्रश्न आसा स्मार्ट मिटर एक पार्ट जालो हेच्याक लागून आमी हांगा एंटायर गोंयान जी हे फावट बिलां आसा ती 3 टायम्स येयल्या नॉर्मल आसा तेजेर लोक कन्फ्यूज आहा एक मिनिट एक सायडीन CM म्हणटा की हे होल्ड दवरला आतां हे ओन्ली स्मार्ट मिटर प्रोसेस होल्ड आहा काय एंटायर जो तुमी बिलिंग सेक्शन्स केला एंटायर गोंयान जो बिल येयला लोकांक ते सगळे होल्ड केला न्यू बिल्स इश्यू करतले आख्खे गोंय भरात
Yeah, whoever
बिकॉज
have got penalty.
कंप्लीट एंटायर जे बिलिंग आहा एनीवन कोणाचे तुझे सुद्धा स्वताचे बिल काड तूं सराचे काड इट वील बी रेग्युलर तुम्ही केन्नाय कितें चुकले प्रॉब्लम जाल्ले तुम्ही कितें करता